Good day everyone, my name is Natalie Kempara and today I will demonstrate how to use my developed system called ReserveLogic Intelligent Booking and Resource Management. For our step 1, open the system. First, open your browser and enter the system URL. Then the login page will be appear. You can see here, this is the login page. And for our step 2, register account. So we click this create account. For first timer user, click the register or create account. And fill in the full name, username, and password. Then click register and expected the account created successfully. So click this one. Okay. So for our step 3, log in. And after the registration, enter your username and password. This one. So expected the system redirects to the dashboard. For step 4, the dashboard overview. The dashboard displays the total reservation, navigation menu, and recent booking. First, the reservation. Then, for our step 5, create reservation. So, to create a reservation, input your full name, the date and time, and the service. So, what's the name? Tomorrow, 24. Time is 7:30. The service. And select the VIP rate. Then click the reservation or reserve now. So the reservation added successfully to So now you have a reservation successfully, so you can log out. To end the session security, click the log out. So the user returns to login page. This one. Before ending this demonstration or tutorial, I would like to mention that my system is not 100% perfect yet because there are still improvements needed, especially regarding the design and some minor errors in the system. However, the system already performs its primary purpose, which is the managing reservations and organization booking efficiently. I plan to continue improving this project by enhancing the interface, adding more features, and optimizing performance in the future. So that's it. Thank you for watching and for your time.